Hey everyone, I made it into Big Lots. It's been a while, but look right here on wall decor. These are going to be $14. The red and blue. They do have a green and yellow, and they are like 10. A galvanized. The gel cling is $2.99. Oh, they have flags. Okay. These are $22 for the Easter decor, just as welcome. And it looks like we're getting into like maybe floral. They do have like these really cute tin ones that are $5. They have bees on them. And $8. Oh, this is an Easter garland. I thought it came with the sign. No. It says home sweet home. Our happy place for $12.99. And more flowers. It looks like it's mixed in with Easter, which we've seen before. There's the gnome guys down there. That's $8. Again, they have red, green. Okay, these are $15. I'm not too sure on the price, but these are really nice, right, for the garden. They have glitter on them. They have a yellow one. Some pots. Looks like $5.99. And don't forget about your knees. They do have really good ones at Costco. Oh, it's like a little birdhouse. A turtle. And of course the yellow. Oh, and they're still sitting up. I honestly don't think they put anything too new out for Easter. That one is $10 for the table runner. And they had the bike. Hello Spring. And the pillows, of course. Those bunnies and the glass one. They're really nice. Oh yeah, we've seen these in the Easter video. More bunnies. The only thing I want to say is new that's standing out for me for Easter, this sky right here. With the little nest on top for $10. They have little peeps, snow globes. Look at that. Oh no, that one's broken. Looks like they're $4. So $13 for the fabric tablecloth. And here's a runner to match it. $4 for the placemat. Welcome peeps. I think we might have seen these. Now down here they do have like the gnomes for your garden if you're loving them. Oh, look at that right here. I just like the little mushrooms, but look, they lost their shoe. That's like kind of cute. Here's a mushroom. Does this one light up? Let's see. $21. Wow, I feel like that price might have gone up for that. That's pretty pricey. Look at him riding a scooter. I mean, these are at home prices. You know, at home could get kind of pricey. Can't believe that was $21. No idea how much this guy is, but it's gonna light up right there. And we have the stump and like the tree house. Okay, those are kind of cool. Oh, he's 25. Okay. And look at that one. I like these too. Those are cute. Oh no, they're home. Here's a yellow one. You got your greens. Kind of like Gnomeo and Juliet. Every time I see like a couple gnomes together, I think of that movie. And look, we have like your tin frog. I love frogs. $23. Look at him with his little top hat. Okay, I like him. He's so dapper. The duck, the owl, flamingo will be $20. Oh, look at this cute little pig. They're gonna be solar. The turtle one's cute too. There's some cute stuff. Oh, that talking toucan is back. Oh no, that could be really, really annoying. And down here, it looks like a nautical, so $12.50. It's like a little tic-tac-toe one. That's kind of cute if you like the nautical theme. Those are $13 on top. The crab. This is the pelican. Okay, these are the hummingbird ones for 7. Butterfly, and they have a sunflower, and here is the cross one. This one's 7 as well. Oh, look at that. That looked cool at night, I think.
Oh, yeah.
So this one looks new to me. So full of sunshine and the globe. 25 for like wall decor. There's a little bit of new decor. Here's a solar table light for 35. And welcome in the bike. I feel like we always see the bike in different colors. Rise and shine, a mother clucker. That's what it said. Oh, I was hoping to find like more pottery, but you know, we've seen the Turtle Man before. You could find him in Home Goods as well, and maybe even Walmart, but that's kind of cute at the bottom. If you're wanting to decorate outside, look at the flowers. That's only 15, 25. They do have the strips for 25 as well. They do have an all clear butterfly one if you're not into the colorful micro lights. Everything here is for a garden. Oh, look at that fan for 130. That'll be good on the patio. If you don't have a fan. I don't have one like on my patio. I do need to get it rebuilt. I feel like it's just corroding. Okay, 130 for that one. Some decor, pretty sure. Oh, look at that. Palm tree. Flamingo. And here's like a flower one. So they're outdoor dining. They do have the silicone ones. Those are 7. Flamingo plate. Of course, you get 4 for $8. Hey, they have this at Home Goods. Is it cheaper here? 16. I'm not too sure how much it was over there. They always bring back the same like patterns. So every now and then you can find something new. Love that yellow. And you get the bowls to match. Here's little gloves for children to help you in the garden. They're $3.50. Basil, daisy, and it looks like tomato, cucumber. Here is blackberry, strawberry, and blueberry. These are 7. So we're getting into the peeps here. Chocolate, SpongeBob, sour watermelon. Oh wow, and look, they're lollipop rings. You get 4. I wonder where they're made, because sometimes you have to be careful with this type of stuff. And it looks like more candy over here. Oh look, Russell Stover has sugar-free for you. $5.99. Chocolate candy with peanut. They have Kool-Aid popping. You know, the hen that's gonna poop. Nerd candy, Starburst. Nothing that's like exciting. They have Starburst jelly beans. Oh, here's a polka dot one. These are $3.29. I'm trying to look for like that fun Easter candy. Here's Gummy Bunny. They're $2.29. They're just like little tiny gummy bunnies in there. Oh gosh, who remembers buying these? $1.29. Party City. I used to go there all the time for that. The bubbled eggs are $1.29. They light up. Oh, there's a little thing. Oh look, these are kind of cute. Let me bring it down. They're $3. Look at the Hershey's. What'd you find? Chewy. That's funny. And here's like tons of lip balm for their Easter basket. They're only $1. They have Jurassic, Peeps. If they're all about that unicorn, that is $5. There's a little mini bunny. Okay, these are cute. So we have Gushers, Mountain Dew, and the Sour Patch Guy. We used to buy the little soda ones all the time. I'm not finding much of any decor here. I kind of have a feeling Big Lots, or at least mine, might be next to closed. I just noticed it doesn't carry as much and a lot of aisles are empty. Curtain lights, and they used to have pretty good home decor. These are all the squishies I know we've seen before. And look at the kid at Dino One. It's cute. Okay, make sure there's nobody there. Sometimes when I go around the aisle, there's people. Yeah, this is like everything they would have for like house on the side. Down here's a little more. These are like trays. The wall shelf. Oh, this one's actually kind of cool. I kind of like this one. I know they have a moon one in Five Below, and I just seen one in Home Goods, like the big one with the shelves. But this one's really cute because I like the backing. Yeah, the moon.
I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how much it is. If I can find it. Doesn't say on it. No.
Yeah, put a sticker on it.
But that's a good one. I like that. It's cute. That frame. No, none of them have prices on them. I always see the thumbs up and all these little hand A-OK maybe. You know, it's kind of funny. On my shorts, I've been putting the thumb up sign and I automatically get like 20 thumbs down. Hey, it's okay. It's all good. It doesn't bother me, but I just kind of find it funny. I know shorts are kind of weird, but sometimes when I'm in a store and there's really nothing there, I just try to find things that are interesting. And I know the music is not all that great, you guys, but shorts work a different way, so yeah. But it's kind of funny because like automatically like each one gets 20. Oh my gosh, they have like a doggy one. I've never seen a doggy print one. These are $8 right here. The blanket, I kind of like this another doggy one too. The Chihuahua. I told my husband when I'm much older, you know, maybe pushing 70 or early 60s, I'm gonna get Chihuahuas. And then I saw a video that said Chihuahuas are very ruthless. I'm like, I don't know.
I told her I was gonna put mouse traps out if she gets Chihuahua.
I mean, you would think Shepherds and Rotties. My shepherd, I don't know, he's a big baby. He's crazy. I think this might do it, you guys. Wow. I'm kind of just walking around here. They have the kettlebells. How much are they here? I think these are maybe $5 and Five Below. This is $15 because I know Five Below, you know, does $10 and $15 too. But I'm thinking the kettlebells are $5. Wow, this is it. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and go. We have, hey, look at Candyland. Mr. Mint, $11.99. King of Candy. Storage for your Legos. These are all like Margaritaville. We've seen these before. What is that? Oh, cotton candy sugar. So we have pink bubblegum, grape, orange. Here's a little cooler. Has dogs on it surfing. Snow cone kit. Cherry, blue raspberry, cotton candy. And more Margaritaville stuff. Alright, you guys, please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one. These are our organizers here.